Good morning, sir.
Morning, officer.
You know why I pull you over today?
No, officer, I don't know why you pulled me over.
Your tail light not working.
Officer, how you see that from in front of me? If you know somebody tail light now work.
Hold on, there's liar. They're calling the officer liar.
No, me not calling a liar. Oh, you're supposed to know somebody tail light now work.
Oh, it's a liar. They're calling the officer liar. Alright, that is strike one. Make us see your vehicle documents now, please.
You're foolishness, you know. You can't bother, you know.
Hold on there. Is tell the officer about him mother a while ago?
Me tell you about your mother?
I sure I get a hot popcorn a while ago.
Officer, me say me can't bother. Oh, me tell you about
That
your
is
mother?
strike two, you know. Please give me your vehicle documents. How is a new car, man? How you afford something like this? How you pay for something like this? How much a car like this cost? Let me ask you something. When last you get a ticket? Look like you owe the government some money, man. Oh, you not answer you know your feelings, eh? But let me ask you something. You know if you play football?
Football? What football have to do with this?
Well, if you play football, you could have been the striker right you know. And you could have scored the goal and win the match for the whole away. You know what win the match?
Officer, you are going now. Bet you give me ticket, me I go, you know. If you give me ticket, give me ticket. Come here, places for going.
Oh, you want the on the bench?